Hi, this is Sato. In this video, I will talk about two capes in Miyako Island. The first one is Higashi Hanazaki. This cape is located in the easternmost point of Miyako Island. When it comes to the sunrise, I think this place is second to none in Miyako Island. It takes about 30 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 1 hour from Shimojishima Airport by car. On your way to this place, the roads are surrounded by sugarcane field, and it was so tasteful. After parking, you need to walk for about 5 minutes to get to this cape. I couldn't find restaurants open in the early morning, so it might be better to bring something to eat and drink if you go and see sunrise. There's no obstacles to block the wind, so if you wear something light, be careful not to be blown away. As you can see, there are some walkways, so I saw people enjoying walking and cycling around here. Higashi Hanazaki has a park where you can take a break. If you are able to welcome the morning at Higashi Hanazaki, where you can look out over the East China Sea and the Pacific Ocean, you can gain much vitality to live today. Well then, let's move on to the next place, Nishi Hanazaki. This cape is located in the north of Miyako Island. It takes about 30 minutes from Miyako Airport and just over 40 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. Unlike Higashi Hanazaki, this cape is really famous for sunset, and this cape is shorter and milder than Higashi Hanazaki. If you want to go to the end of this cape, please watch your step because the way is bumpy and not maintained. You can look out over Irabu Island, Okinawa Island, and Ogami Island from here. Personally, I love the contrast of this cape and wind powers. I think Higashi Hanazaki is powerful, and Nishi Hanazaki is mild and cool. It depends on the weather though. I said Higashi Hanazaki is a place for sunrise, and Nishi Hanazaki is a place for sunset, but both of them are on the outskirts of a town, and there's no street lights around them. So when night comes, you can fully stargaze. It's pretty good to make a plan that you start the trip from Higashi Hanazaki to see sunrise and finish it at Nishi Hanazaki to see sunset and stars. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.